all good and you? Can I get 9 on pump 8 premium? Yes.
Is the thing hung up?
Yeah, for some reason it wasn't take. It said failed to read the card. Let me check. Huh. Oh, okay. Okay. Yep, premium. Yep. Honda CBR. Yep. Do you ride? Oh, nice. Oh, that's awesome. What do you have? Oh, cool. Oh, I got time to get there. That's awesome though. I can't. The weather hasn't really been. Okay. Thank you. Ride safe.
It was cold. It was like 39 degrees, 38 degrees, and it was sunny though, so that helped out a lot. But it was cold, so it's not gonna be too much talking because I'm freezing as I'm riding. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Tell me what you think. What's the coldest you've ridden in, and also has spring hit yet for you guys? Here in New York, it's we're getting like 38 to 45 degree days, so it's not that warm at all. So as soon as I had some sun, I got out, tried to get some miles on my CBR. All right, y'all.
Oh. That's my first half a tank of gas that I put in the CBR. I don't know, I've been starting it and everything like that, so I guess the gas has run out a bit. I gotta fix my visor because it's steaming up at the wrong time. I don't know if it's because of the temperature, that's, you know, cold temps, but yeah. The CBR's got some pretty good pickup. I mean, I'm taking a second MSF course. Or a safety course in June. I'm gonna keep critiquing my skill set and getting better. So we'll be taking one of those. I'm a parker because it is damn cold, man. Let's see what you're about to do. Okay, you was thinking. Somebody behind me. Woo!
Alright, that's gonna do it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the ride along to the gas station. I had to shut it down because it was too cold. So hope you guys all have a wonderful week. Be blessed, be well, be kind to each other, and definitely appreciate you guys for watching. Continue to like, comment, and share the videos. I'll check you on the next one, y'all. Peace.